What we got here?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 2 p.m. At 1:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Roscoe to near Belvidere, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenwood, Wonder Lake, Spring Grove, Lake, Woodstock, Harvard, Marengo, Hebron, McHenry, Lake Muir, Bull Valley, Johnsburg, Ringwood, Kemen, Richmond, Pistakee Highlands, Ridgefield, Holiday Hills, Union, Prairie Grove, Fox Lake, Genoa City, and Island Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.